This is the Snap-on BK7000. Comes in this nice nylon case. When we open up this case here, there is a nice foam insert. There is adapters and a USB-C to USB-A charging cable for charging. When we take the unit out of the case here, the unit itself at the top right has a power button, a power LED to indicate when the unit is on. It has a microphone. At the top left, there's a USB-C charging port, a charging LED. It blinks green while it's charging and is a solid green while it is fully charged. At the bottom of the unit, there is a speaker. And at the back of the unit, there is a magnet to stick it to things. There is a plastic stand, and there is a camera on the back. At the top center here, there is the CFast HD imager connector. That is the outside of the BK. When you turn your BK7000 on for the first time, there's some setup required. So first you'll select the language, then you check the time, and then the next step, you could connect to Wi-Fi or you could set up that later. We'll do that later. And now you gotta register your device. So you gotta put in a name, a phone number, and an email. And when that's done, your device is registered. And now you can use your BK7000. Now that your BK7000 is set up, let's go over some of the features. At the top left of the screen, there's a battery indicator to indicate the battery. Below that, there is a Wi-Fi indicator to indicate if your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, because the BK7000 does have Wi-Fi capabilities. Below that is the Bluetooth symbol, because you can connect a pair of Bluetooth earbuds or headphones. And below that, this button here, when you click it, it can switch the button pads between righty and lefties. And now at the bottom left here, you tap this once. This bar will pop up here. You could adjust the brightness for the lights on the imager. Tap it again and it goes away. And then at the top right here, there's the gallery. You can click that. And then if you take any photos and videos, they'll be right here in the gallery. Here is the button to take pictures, because we're in the picture mode currently. You could hit that. You get a nice shutter noise to indicate that you have taken the photo. And at the bottom here is the menu. And the menu that you can switch between photo and video mode. You can switch between the forward, the side, the PIP, and the rear camera. The rear camera is on the back of the unit. There's different filters you can use. There's a auto timer to turn off the device if inactive. It's default on never. You can adjust the screen brightness. You can add a timestamp to your photos. So when you do want to take a photo, it'll tell you the date and time. Then you can go into your gallery and you can look at your photo or video, and it'll have the timestamp on the bottom there. Now when we exit the gallery, go back to the menu. You can connect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. There's also a select language you could choose from. You could adjust your speaker volume. You could turn on or off your microphone. You could see how much memory is being used by photos and videos on your device. You could adjust the date and time here. If you haven't registered your device in the beginning, you could do it there. You could check your firmware here. It says the model here. You can see your licensing and manual here if you click those. You can click the manual, you can scroll through the device manual, you can click back. And now when you want to leave the menu, instead of scrolling all the way up to the X at the top, you can click anywhere that's not the menu to exit the menu. While taking photos, this is the PIP mode here, so you can see the front and side view. You could pinch to zoom on your photo. You can tap the side view here to switch spots, so the side view will be on the bigger screen, the front view will be on the smaller screen. Still pinch to zoom on that. And then when you want to switch to front view, you could, if you want just front view, go to the menu, go adjust to front view. You could pinch to zoom as well. Take a few photos. You can go to just the side view. Pinch to zoom. You can see the machining marks on the walls in there. Nice HD quality. And then if you want to go to the rear, that is the camera on the back of the imager. So that is the back of the unit. While taking videos with your BK7000, you can go into menu, make sure you're in the video mode here. Exit the menu, and then when you want to start the video, hit the red button, and a timer here will appear at the bottom of your screen, showing you how long your video has been going on for, and you can move around and get a nice HD quality live feed of where the imager is looking. As you can see here, you can see some machining marks on the metal, the inside of this. Look down there, see it's quite clean in here. Look around. Look on the outside, go around, and then when you're done recording your video, hit that button there. It'll load real quick. Then you can go into your gallery, watch your video. And a neat thing is, with the photos and videos, you can go edit the name of the photo if you need to, or video. And then with the photos, you can mark key components and save it. And then when you go to look at the photo later, still has that nice mark. So now we'll show you how to connect your BK7000 to Wi-Fi. You go into the menu, you click Wi-Fi, it'll load. And then your networks will appear. You select your network of choice, and then you type in your network password. Then you click join. And then when it shows connected, it'll check your connection. And then it also will check your software version to make sure your software and your device is up to date. If it's up to date, this will pop up here saying software is up to date. If not, you will get a prompt to update your device software. And then you connected your BK7000 to the Wi-Fi.